Hey there loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be refreshing and decorating the entryway. So we're going to be styling my hutch as well as decorating the console table. So if that's something you guys are interested in, then keep on watching. I went ahead and pulled out a lot of the decor that I want to use from my decor hutch, and I just placed them on top. So these are the items that we're going to be styling our hutch with, or trying to style our hutch with in today's video. The items for my top shelf are going to be my newest vase, which is the R House dupe for the metal vases, as well as two other vases that I inherited from my mother-in-law. I'm also going to be using this candle holder that looks like a martini glass, but it's a candle holder, as well as one of my lower candle holders. You guys know I love to mix match my candle holders so they don't look so matchy. Then I'm going to be using my newest LED candlesticks, and they're in this mauve kind of brownish color. I can't really say what color it is, but it's like a tannish creamy brown. I'm also going to be using my DIY picture, as well as a cutting from a magazine that I added to a picture frame. I would like to apologize for my lighting. Y'all, I'm using my ring light, so I hope it is not too shadowy. We have another wet, cold day in the summer. We have had maybe 1 or 2 warm days. I kid you not. It's like summer said, exempt me from the year. I don't want to be a part of it, because we had winter, spring, and it feels like fall. And then we're going back into winter again. Where is summer? I have absolutely no idea. But I won't complain. I will not complain. I'll take what you give me. Besides, I don't really like to be hot. But excuse the lighting, please, please, please. I hope it is enjoyable for you guys and not so shadowy. I'm doing my best with the lighting. For the first shelf, I'm just going to corral all of my vases or vessels into one corner, and then the other side I'm going to add the largest picture to the back and the smallest in front of it, and then to that little corner to the furthest end I'm going to add my mixed match candlestick holders, as well as my LED candlesticks. For the second shelf, I'm going in with this round vase that has kind of an opening to it. I don't really know what you call that style, but I got this from Kik. It was very affordable. I don't remember the price, but I do have that in an old haul. I'm also going in with my DIY vase, a small plant. You can find these on Amazon. I got this one from Kik as well, and I want to say it was maybe for $3.99 or $4.99. Once again, very affordable. I'm also going to be using my DIY, what do you call this, decor chain. It's made of styrofoam balls that I just painted to look like a stone look, with little tassels at the end, and also my DIY book, and I just used some acrylic paint to paint the book. We're going to be using the zigzag pattern. So you guys remember we have those vessels on the top shelf to the left hand side. So to the right, I'm going to place my book down first, and then we're going in with my DIY vase that has those same colors as the vessels on the top shelf. Then beneath that color pattern on the top shelf, we're going to zigzag the opposite side. So we're going to add some color. I'm using a pop of green, as well as my white vase, and of course my plant is also in a white vase, or should I say a white planter. Then inside my DIY vase, I'm going to add my decor rings, and I'm just going to add it where one of the tassels is a little shorter than the other, and that is the design for the second shelf. For my third shelf, I'm going in with this tall ribbed vase, and I think I got this from Kik as well, and the price was around $3.99 or $4.99. Very affordable once again. I'm also going in with this brown vase that I inherited from my mother-in-law. Y'all, I got a lot of vases from my mother-in-law, okay? And then I'm also going in with another faux plant in a white planter. So first I'm going down on the opposite end. Remember, we're zigzagging the color pattern, so I'm going down with that tall white vase. Then I'm going to place my brown, multi-brown tone vase on the opposite side, and to the front of the tall vase I'm going to add my plant, my faux plant, in the white planter. Now we're just going to tie in the colors that we used inside the hutch onto the console table. So first I'm going down with my tall vase. I absolutely love this vase. I bought this vase from Yusk when they had a sale. Best purchase ever. I absolutely love this vase. Then next to it, I'm going down with a stack of white books. Then on top of my white books, I'm adding my grayish tone cement vase. Remember, we use these same colors inside the hutch as well. Next, I'm going in the back of my stack of books with a DIY painting that I made, and I feel like this has a lot of the colors from the hutch as well. So we're just going to add that behind the books, and of course lighting, we cannot forget lighting. I'm going down again with some mixed match candle holders, and inside those candle holders I'm going to add my LED candlesticks. For my stem of choice, I'm going to be going down with some greenery. I'm just using some faux stems. Of course, you guys can use flowers if you want more color, but I'm trying to tie in all the colors that I used in the hutch onto my console table. So I'm just going to add some simple greenery to my tall vase, and then I also decided to add some greenery to my smaller vase. So I'm going to add a pop of greenery to that as well. We have reached the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, as well as got some tips and ideas to how you guys can style your entryway or your hutch. If you did enjoy, please do remember to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Also, if you're not subscribed as yet, please remember to go ahead and click that subscribe button, as well as that notification bell 2 times, so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I hope to see you guys in my next one. So until then, Auf Wiedersehen.